Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can enable or allow cookies on your iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to allow or enable cookies on your iPhone. So in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can allow or enable cookies on your iPhone. Now, whenever you have browsed any type of websites, for example, you could have seen that little pop-up menu which says that whether you want to accept all cookies or not. And I will simply show you how you can actually enable and allow cookies. And if you don't know what cookie is, by the way, a cookie is simply a piece of data that a site puts on your device so that the website can remember whenever you visit again. Now, you also want to keep in mind that when you allow or block all cookies, you may not be able to view some of the sites. So without further ado, what you want to do is simply open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, let's say you want to allow or enable cookies on your Safari browser, which is the default browser on our iPhone. What we will do is in the settings app, we will go ahead and then simply locate Safari. Once you find Safari, simply go ahead and tap on it. So as you can see, the Safari app right over here. I will tap on it. You'll be able to see a bunch of different options such as Siri and search, language, search engines, whether you want to change the search engine or not. But what we want to do is we're going to scroll to the bottom of the screen, and right over here under the privacy and security tab, you'll find this toggle which says block all cookies, and you can also see that this toggle is currently turned on. And if it is turned on, it means that your site is currently blocking all of the cookies, and in order to allow or enable those cookies, you have to simply turn this toggle off. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to view all of the sites without restrictions, and your website will not block any type of cookies which the website requires in order for it to function properly. So you can also go ahead and simply tap on the button which says clear history and website data if you want. Now, it is not, you can go ahead and also close all of the tabs. It is basically going to reset your browser, but this is simply the toggle, and you can also customize these options such as checking for Apple Pay, privacy preserving ad measurement, and fraudulent website running, as well as prevent cross-site tracking and so on. This is the way on how you can allow or enable cookies on your iPhone on the Safari browser. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.